I can't wait to open it. Santa does look good. Help me open it.
What happened here?
Can we wait 2 seconds? So I can get my phone?
He ate it. There's no back here.
Where's the milk and the cookies? They're gone?
Yeah.
No.
Cookie. Yeah. He brought me a Scooby-Doo toy.
Wow. I see. Barry, you want to sit in here so they don't have to run over there to show you everything?